Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Hong Kang Yong and this is my CA3 mini project, the expense tracker. So, what is the expense tracker? The expense tracker is to use to record about what did you spend about it. Just like when I doing a purchase, so I buy some books. So what should I record? And I just write down I buy a book and how much did I buy it and the amount that I buy it. And also the date will be written down to know that when did you buy it and how much you buy it. This is to record about the whole expense that you have made through the months, through the years, so you can tracking down which day that you spend on a thing or which month that you spend the most of the things. Alright, so let's dive into the code that I just written down. So as you can see, I have these three codes. So the matplotlib. So what is the matplotlib to do? So that this code that I have provide the pie chart to you. Are you using the pie chart? So this matplotlib will helping me and provide me the visual effect of it. So later on there will be a pie chart of it. And next, the JSON. So what the JSON means? The JSON is to let me to store the data of during the whole add expense process. So when I want to add some things on it, so you'll be stored at here, the expense JSONs. And when when you needed to view those things, they will be loaded in the JSON's file. Yeah, they will be all saved right there. So when I need to view it or making some move on it, you will be go to that files. So the expense of it. So what did I write in the expense to when did I add on it? So I just put in the names, like you see this. So I enter the expense name. So like what did I bought? I bought a book, so I writing down I bought a book. Alright, and the category sites, they will be enter, like if I bought the foods, it will be the category will be grocery. If I riding an Uber or filling up my car tank, it will be adding as it's transported. The amount, yes, the amount is all about the money. So how much that I spend on this item, so you just write it down. And the date is to record when did you write down the date. So that later on I will be showing you how exactly the date will be on so it will be record like by now. Alright, and when you input all things correctly, the next expense name, the category of it, and the amount, and it will be showing you this with a tick, and it will tell you about the expense was added. So this is the first step on it, the first section of it. And down there is the second section, which about is view expense. So what is the view expense? And when you make the expense in the first steps, the add expense, and it will be saved in the file of expense JSONs. So the view expense is go to the JSONs file and let you to take a look at all the items that you have written down. So yeah, it will be showing you as the name that you have written down, the category to put on it, and the money that you spend on it, and the date that you written down. And also it also will be total the money that you have spent. Like I made 3 different expense, okay? So it will calculate the total amount of all these 3 together. It's easy, yeah. And the third one, the next one will be the delete expense. So what is the delete expense used? So when I build up a expense that by error, like I written the the item or wrong amount, so I could go to this delete expense and select the item that I written wrong and delete it. If also you just misclick into this delete expense, you can also just press the C to just get out to the page 1. Yeah, and this delete expense, it will also went into the expense JSONs file and then to properly delete the data of when you add it in. So it all made it in here. If you're writing wrongs, that if you're making this if you're writing down the wrong number, like I say I just added up the 3 items but I want to remove the 4, but the 4 isn't count inside, so it will be printed out as the invalid number. It will show you about what you're doing is not on the list and you are wrong for this section. So the next one, I'll be showing the charts of it, the pie chart of it. So the pie chart came from the Matplotlib. Yes, it came from it provides by the Matplotlib. What the pie chart will do, let's say I listed out 3 types of category: transportations, groceries, and the others. So it will be separated out into 3 different kind of shape. It will shows about the percentage of each category has been used. The category, it used the category as the main and making let you see about which category that you spend the most. So let's just say I spent 3 in transportation, 1 in the others, and 2 into the grocery. And by the end of it, when I show the pie charts out of it, it will be shown as the larger will be the transportation. So by ending the next one is the main program. Yes, this main program is about like the whole thing will be shown as the UI page. Like, yes, when I first start, when I run the program, it will be shown as all of these 5. So when I press 1, it will bring you to the add expense steps here, this one. And if you type 2, and it will bring you to the view expense. 3 is the delete expense, and 4 will be it will show you the pie chart, and the 5 is just exit the whole process of it. So it's like this. If you choose 1, it will bring you to the expense. If you either you choose 2, it will bring you to the view expense. 3, it will bring you to the delete expense. 4 will be the show chart. And when you choose 5, you will exit the whole program, and it will show you that see you next time, goodbye, and hit enter the whole program, the whole running process. So let me demonstrate. So when I press run module, as you can see, there will be showing up welcome to the expense tracker, same as this. Add expense, view expense, delete expense, show chart, exit. So now I will start making the choice that I want to see. So I will starting by the add expense of it. So I press 1 and enter. Yes, you see, it will show me that enter the expense name. So when I want to see, I just add up, like I brought a laptop, alright, and the category. So I have putting on the 3 categories of it. So I'm gonna use the others, alright. And how much did I buy it? So I just wrote down about 1,000, and see, the expense was added. The laptop will be added in the folder of the expense JSON. So let's check the expense that I just made of it. So when I press 2, see, it will bring me to this expense that I just made it for this one, and for the others that I made it earlier. So as you can see, the whole of it. So, and the total, it also, and as I said earlier, the total is also summed up at here. The time, yeah, as you can see, the name of it, the category of it, the amount of it, and the date recorded. Every single that. So alright, let's get to step 3. So let's get step 3. See, look it, enter. So it will show me these ones, the whole one. So I just like, alright, I don't want this Maggie, so the number is 1, and I press 1, enter. Alright, it says it deleted Maggie. So let's check up and see. 3 again, and voila, the Maggie is not on the list, and the 10 of it, the 10 number has -1, so you go 9. Yes, the Maggie is disappear already. So let's get back to the first page. So press C to cancel this delete process, and let's see about the pie chart, shall we? So there we have grocery, transportations, and the others. So I have 3 of it. So let's check out the pie chart. Entering 4, as you can see, this is the matplotlib that I used it. So the others has a 90.3% of it, as you can see. Transportation got 6.5 and the grocery got 3.1. It sums up all of it, the price of it. You see the price. So when I just finish the whole things, I just cross it down and it will bring me back to the page. So when I tap 5, it will exit all the running. So as you can see, there we see you next time. Goodbye. Same as these that I put on. And this is, and let's run one more time in the module. See, voila, the same one. The add, expand, view, delete, show chart, and the exit all remain the same. The expand also has the same as last one. So thank you. This is my expense tracker. Thank you for your listening, and I thank you giving me this chance to present it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.